Pakindat-kindat pa to si Senator Amy.
Tortured and torturous relationship I have had with my younger brother.
Ulit ha.
I think it's time that the tortured and torturous relationship I
5
have
years.
had with
5
my
years
younger
ago.
brother
So it was 2020. 2020.
Bongbong should be too. As most things in my family, it all began with my dad, who announced to all and sundry in his big baritone voice that he was going to have a firstborn son. Sundalo ang magiging kauna-unahang anak ni Apo Congressman. Ang problema, ako yung lumabas. And for an immensely brilliant man, he seemed supremely dense in refusing to believe.
Ba't ganun? Pati sa pagbati mo ng birthday kay PBBM. Ikaw pa rin bida. Anak ng teteng naman oh. Wag ganon, Brad. Wag ganon. Mangga-mangga eh.
Dad, I'm a girl eh. So yun yung problemang una. Bongbong finally appeared. The most adorable, giggly, chubby baby you can imagine. And true enough, my father was over the moon until he had to leave for a UN event somewhere. They put the baby beside them on top of pillows so that they could spend every last second with this adorable little bundle. My mom was hovering all over him. Nung nag-e-empake sila, ewan ko kung ano nangyari. Nasagi ba? Ano ba? Bakit nabundol? Yung una nahulog at yung baby, si Bongbong, nasa sahig. My father was so upset. Galit na galit. My mom glared at me and said, "You didn't push it, did you?" And of course I said, "No, I didn't even go near." But my dad, making certain to defend and protect his son, brought the baby to the hospital for the duration of their visit to make sure he would be safe. Ayan.
Nako, tinulak. Di ba? Mukhang tinulak eh. Tingin ko tinulak.
Ang susunod na kabanata, birthday na ng daddy ko. Some huge birthday with Bongbong turning 3 or something.
Pangit mo talaga oh. Pangit mo. wala. Malinaw sa amin.
In the next 2 days, and everyone, as usual, was invited. All the big leaders from everywhere, all the VVIPs, all the hotshots, everyone was there.
Sasampalin ko.
There was going to be this huge waterfall thing, and I was so excited, being the producer impresario that I am, with all these thespian delusions. There was going to be this highly cinematic waterfall.
Grabe, ano ba? Babatiin mo ba si PBBM o ano? Siya yung bida eh. No? Dati pa pala, ganyan na bumati ito. I-forward na natin ng konti.
And who knows what. But in the end, there have been so many years that have passed. My one and only partner in politics, ang tanging nagtsatsaga.
Partner in politics, oh. Tanging Wait lang. Manang Amy naman, ang ganda mo dyan. Tingnan natin nga. Ang ganda kasi Ang ganda naman ni Senatora Aime. Oh, ayan oh. Natigilan tuloy kami ng konti. Anyari. Senator. Ha? What's happening in this life, Senator? Napakaganda ni Senator. Okay na, balik na tayo. Kasi, asan na? Asan na natin? Pwede bang ganyan? Pwedeng ganyan na siguro yan.
Si Bongbong pa rin. Andyan kaming dalawa na, eto nga, life is hard, it is brutish. And I can say, after all these years, Bongbong, I forgive you. I forgive you for...
Pucha, pinatawad ka. Walang nga, pinatawad si BBBM pa, pinatawad daw. Ha? Napatitig tuloy ako kay Manang Amy. O, di ba, Marvin, kang ganda, di ba? Napakaganda.
For being a boy. Salamat naman for taking off the pressure from me. I forgive you also for falling down in that waterfall and embarrassing all of us, your father, your mother, and me most of all, the producer of that event. In fact, after all these years, ang tanging masasabi ko na lang, thank you very much, Bonget, for all the pain and heartbreak that you have taken for having that god-awful name, Junior. How you ever lived with that, I will never know. Thank you also for all the difficulties, the sacrifice that you have taken on the chin for this family, for all of us, including me. Maraming salamat. Babalik ang...
Dati, no? Biruin nyo, no? 5 years ago, okay naman sila eh. Then, all of a sudden, bam!
Karen, ng grasya, ng pasasalamat, at mula sa amin, buong-buo, pagmamahal. I love you dearly. For you, Bonget, happy, happy birthday. I love you, and it's all over.
Hayop. Wala na eh, walang ano, no? Oo. To.
Describe your dad's handyman's.
To. Pakinggan natin, ha?
Pag nakikita ko si Amy sa Ilocos, naalala ko yung aming kabataan.
Oo, nangangasim. Kami, Mr. President, pag nakikita namin si Senator Amy, nangangasim kami. Alam mo yung ano, yung maglalaway ka sa asim.
Yung alaga ng aking super manang sa kanyang pamilya, ganyan din siya sa Ilocos. Kapang yan. Kung madaling lapitan, parahingan ng kuko. Forever ng kabataan.
Ito kasi
ay
pinopromote.
Puso lang naiisip. Kaya naman, natupad ang maunlad na buhay sa mga Ilocano. Ang solusyon sa presyo at trabaho, ang Amy ko. Amy Solution.
Ayun.
So easy.
Yeah. Really?
Okay, now you're just picking on me. No, that's not fair. No, I have never cried from a movie.
See? Masungit.
So, yeah, let's see how it goes.
Who's most likely to get married last?
Aw, Simon. From your own mother, Mom. That's cold.
Who's most likely to live in a big city?
It's pretty much everyone. Actually, if I had to choose one, it's Sandro.
Yeah, I think Sandro also. Like, I think he's the most city person.
Who's most likely to have always been the heartbreaker?
Really? Really?
Yeah, of course I'm the heartbreaker. Like,
Basta pagka...
Ay, chick boy pala eh, no? Chick boy pala si Bini, Mami Peng. Mamaya ka na matulog.
Pagka girls...
I think Sandro also.
Who's most likely to have two girlfriends at the same time?
Really?
I've never had two girlfriends at the same time. That's not fair.
Buddy Vinny. Kaya yung pabling dito.
Not cool. I knew I was gonna get bullied again.
Grabe, tangkad ni Bini, oh. Pogi, no?
Wow, I haven't seen that in a while.
Who's most likely to make a sandwich at midnight? Everyone. Bong. Yeah, you gotta change that, Bong.
Simon does that a lot. Like, he makes Vienna sausage sandwiches with cheese in the middle of the night. Yeah.
You want to make?
That's
I do it every
night.
I think my dad's just quieter about it whilst my brother calls me down to go to the kitchen.
Who's most likely not to take a shower for a week?
Sandro.
I'm like the most hygienic here.
We're just teasing him. Okay, next.
He's the one who showers twice a day.
Who's most likely to have had the most number of romantic partners?
Vinny. Talo ako ni Vinny.
I think Dad. I think Dad.
Si Daddy. Si PBBM, oh. Chick boy pala si PBBM. Si PBBM daw eh, sabi eh. Diba?
Dad had a crazy youth.
Who's most likely to listen to classical music?
PBBM.
Who's most likely to laugh at the wrong moment?
Yeah.
Kita nyo? Kung sino rin tatawa sa kahit hindi nakakatawa. Oh. Mabait eh, no? Talaga yung mga anak. Di ba yan ba? Wala na, hindi na natin kailangan pag-usapan kung mukha ba silang nag-a-addict. Di ba? Mukha ba? Di malabo eh.
Yeah, my mom's notorious for laughing at the wrong moment.
Who's most likely to
Beat a red light.
Bong?
Yeah.
I'm the one.
Road rage.
Dad.
Uy, President ha? President! Huwag ka magbibit the red line, di ba, Boss Desert Spring?
Na-road rage pa ako.
Who's most likely to be the best in math?
Oh, definitely not me. Dad.
Excuse me?
Vinny's good, but
Yeah,
Vinny's
thank
good.
you very much.
Vinny's not a
You're
physicist.
better, you're better, you're better.
Even though I'm like not that great.
Who's most likely to talk to animals?
Simon.
Choice.
Simon.
Very easy. He's Dr. Doolittle.
Who's most likely to be in a choir?
Not me.
I have a horrible voice.
Yeah, my dad probably has the best singing ability of all of us, and it sucks though because like none of it got passed down to us.
Hey, Vinny could be a good like,
Okay, well,
Magaling pala kumanta si PBBM eh. Hindi, magaling naman talaga, di ba? Oh.
I'll give Vinny a vote.
He sings in the bathroom.
I don't think anyone can. My mom
Malabo.
definitely can't. Sorry, mom. Like,
who's most likely to lose their passports in a foreign country?
Jesus.
Oh, jeez, it's happened.
that's so
easy.
Yeah.
Chujoy. It has
Sino?
happened so many
Si
times.
Sandro. Oy, nako, hirap nun. Nawala yung passport. Di ba? Hirap nun, no?
Right.
Yeah, twice. To be fair, the second part wasn't my fault.
I think that was one of those questions that was hot. That was still hot, but it's okay.
Who's most likely to be the peacemaker in the house?
That's me. Thank you very
God,
much.
no way.
No way, I'd give it to Vinny.
Okay, Vinny, chance.
That's me. I am peacemaker. Excuse me. I'm peacemaker number 1.
He's everybody's lawyer.
I miss that voice.
Peacemaker pala eh, parang ako eh. hindi, hindi, ganun naman talaga eh, di ba? Masarap talaga pumagitna eh, yung pagbabati mo si ganito, si ganyan, di ba? Oh.
Yeah, I know. I wish you were here. Wala.
Malabo talaga. And then, actually, while I was doing yung Birahan PH, what I told the guys, yung mga birador, no, it's like, first, nagbabanggit ako ng mga good news, and then dun sa good news natin dun, parang, I hate it, pero most of us, especially yung mga BBM vloggers na, peacemaker ako! Yung mga nasaan na ba ako? Wala. Peacemaker nga ako. Yung ganun talaga dapat lagi mong pagkakasunduin silang lahat.
We can get him out of Singapore.
Who's most likely to invent something useful? Vinny.
Oh, thanks, guys.
Yeah. Yeah, he has practical skills.
Who's most likely to oppress
Practical skills, parang, pwede na.
pursued a music career in their past life?
You! Except you don't have much of a past life, but what you have is musical.
My dad, if he wasn't a politician, would definitely be a rock star. I think Sandra pretty much had a musical career, pretty much ish. Yeah.
Last one.
Oh, Sa, you're it.
Who's most likely to live in the countryside?
You.
Yeah, I'd give me that.
I think it's Sa.
Yeah. Simon's a country boy. But me, I wouldn't mind living in the country also.
It's like me, he's actually unofficially a recluse. That's why, look, we even look the same.
Favorite niya si Simon eh. Na maging kamukha eh, no? Pero mga mga gwaping din talaga. I like it. I love it. Never has naman. Maganda rin talaga yung combination ni PBBM and si FL Liza. Si FL Liza kasi sobrang cute nung bata eh. No, sobrang cute.
Who's most likely to overthink a simple problem?
Everyone points at each other.
Wala, naglaga na.
Tuwan-tuwa si Bini. Oh, yun oh, vlogger oh.